Hello everyone, my name is Franz Jacobi Camu and I'm here to discuss about 6 steps of troubleshooting process by CompTIA. The contents are: what is troubleshooting, how does troubleshooting works, 6 steps of troubleshooting process by CompTIA, and why is it important. What is troubleshooting? Troubleshooting is the process of identifying, diagnosing, and resolving problems or issues that arise with a system, device, or process. It involves systematic investigation, analysis, and problem-solving techniques to identify the root cause of the issue and implement a solution to restore a normal functionality. The goal of troubleshooting is to determine why something does not work as expected and explain how to resolve the problem. The first step in the troubleshooting process is to describe the problem completely. How does troubleshooting work? Computer problems that our troubleshooters address can show up in any numbers of places. These are examples of places troubleshooters find themselves working include the following: operating systems, applications, central process units or CPUs, firewalls, hard drives, solid-state drives, servers. The 6 step of troubleshooting process by CompTIA. This includes 6 step of troubleshooting process. First is identify the problem. Second is establish a theory of probable cause. Third is determine the exact cause. Fourth is establish a plan of action to resolve the implemented solution. Fifth step is verify solution and full system functionality. And the 6th step is document findings. Identifying the problem. Start by gathering information about the topic. Talk to users, look for error messages, and understand the signs. Establish a theory of probable cause. You must consider the potential causes of the issues based on the gathered information. Examine the symptoms and take into account any recent changes or problems that may be responsible for the issue. Create a hypothesis based on the factors causing the problem or issue. Determine the exact cause. Conduct tests to confirm or rule out your hypothesis. Use network monitoring tools, check your logs, or perform specific tests on the components to find the root cause of the problem. Here, you perform a diagnostic test to validate or eliminate your hypothesis. Establish a plan of action to resolve and implement the solution. Once the cause is identified, you must create a plan to resolve the issue. This plan outlines the steps you'll take to fix the problem, including any necessary configurations, software updates, or hardware replacements. Verify solution and full system functionality. In this stage, you execute the plan you've created. You make the changes required to the network or escalate the issue to higher level support if needed. Record the symptoms reported by the user, along with the relevant information you gathered about the problem. Be sure to include the test you performed along with the result. You may also include your interpretation of the results. Why troubleshooting is important? It is important to troubleshoot your computer and diagnose it because at the time we can't avoid that our computer will experience different problems. As a user, we need to troubleshoot it for us to determine the cause of problems and give it solutions.